Hello to all those who are looking to be future draftsmen and who are going to be using Autocad. Welcome to my channel called ARDL, and ARDL stands for Autocad and Revit Drafting Lessons. So we are on a journey to becoming the best draftsman in using Autocad as a software. So in this channel, I'm going to introduce you to how to download a free copy and how much it costs if you're going to continue to use the copy, and also your system requirements. And if you look at my channel, I also have lessons for Revit for architects. So if you are willing to check it out, subscribe and check out my videos as we're going to learn all these softwares that can help us to generate some income as employed draftsmen and architects or as freelancers. So let's get started. Let's go to where you can get AutoCAD software. So if you go to autodesk.com, you're gonna find a website whereby it's gonna give you the products that they have, and if you click on the products, you're gonna say AutoCAD, and there it's gonna turn you to this page. So AutoCAD costs this much. It is 1,350 in 2022, $1,350, and it's not much because if you actually calculate it, it comes to about $113 a month. So depending on where you live, you're going to find a dealer that's going to sell you a monthly subscription or a yearly subscription. And for AutoCAD, you've got two types. You can have AutoCAD Lite, which only allows you to draw in 2D, or you can get full AutoCAD, which is going to allow you to draw in 2D and also in 3D. And this is what we want, because my training is going to cover 2D and 3Ds as well. So you need this one. You need to download a free trial, and that's what I've done for you, and it's going to be a 2022 version. So let's go to systems requirements. You go there at the bottom and then you click systems requirements. And my advice for you on the system requirements is just print the system requirements for AutoCAD and take it to your IT specialist and just ask him to double it, because I've got a software that I built and it's working perfectly, no hiccups. So if let's have a comparison of the software, the computer I've built, and what are the system requirements for AutoCAD. The most important is memory. Memory here is being highlighted as 8 gig. Go to my system requirements, I put a RAM or a memory RAM of 16 gig. And also obviously it must be a 64 bit computer, and also I've used an Intel Core i5, and if you have anything superior than that, then you're good to go. And make sure you use a solid state hard drive to install your software so that it can be faster. So having said that, you must remember also that if you're a student, you've got an option to download student version, and student version also asks you to have proof of a student ID card, or or a listing of your college that shows that you are actually a student. But that one is an extensive process. You rather just go to download a free trial, use for 30 days. If you like it, then you just find a dealer that can sell you a subscription, monthly subscription. You can afford the full year subscription, but it's worth it. If you see what you're gonna create with AutoCAD and what you're gonna make from AutoCAD is really worth it to invest in this software. And Autodesk is the best place to get software because they are the creators of the software, and they also support you whenever you need support. So please subscribe to my website, because I'm going to send you a course that is going to tell you how to draw in AutoCAD and how to maneuver yourself in AutoCAD. And you're going to ask me any question you want on how to do anything, and I'm going to help you with that. So please remember to subscribe, and then we can make a good team on our journey to be the best draftsman ever. Thank you.